Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Bonk update today, and Bonk has done it, right? We have broken above this little bit of a pattern. I think we had a channel going on, and the channel has started to break, and it has actually, as I told you in the previous videos, that yes, I expect Bonk to really make it all the way up to 2,000. My technical target is done. We won 40% out of it as well. And this was given to you on Discord for free as well. And the thing is that if you want to be a part of that private thing that I always talk about, it's simple. Scroll down. You're going to see Discord link, which is totally open invitation for you to enter. And once you do that, go to announcement tab here, click on my name, and give me a message that, hey, Adam, I want to be a part of the private. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you one message on how you're going to do that. So thing is that you at least have broken above here, and maybe perhaps it could be time we see Bonk back up to 4265 one more time, back up to this area right over here. So that's what it's meant to be. You break the channel, you go back from where the channel really was. So that's the only thing that I can say. I'm going to keep it super simple. Again, move down, move up, move down, move up, move down, break above, retest. So we can still see another drop down to maybe 1891 for one last retest. And then from here, actually try to go back to the upside. But one thing I can say is that if Bonk makes it down to 1589, this for me is going to be negative statement. So as long as you're above 1589, you have good chances for maybe the bulls coming in, big investors stepping, and then push the prices to the upside. I kind of want to also see if Bonk has any kind of, I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to go to the crypto pairs, and this is a little bit trick you guys can learn, by the way, from the channel. And what crypto screen does is you can actually write in Bonk here. And when you write Bonk right over there, you can see different search results based on different exchanges as well. So what I'm really interested to see is the technical rating of what's going on from TradingView itself. Right now, if you look at the technical rating for Bonk, it is buy. The volume changing also happened 40%, 36%. So you can see activity is going on. And this is what I used to say when I had Bonk right over here. And, you know, when I gave the call, I want to tell you this. So freebie, Bonk here and there. And the reason why I was even talking about it is that I said 1 hour bullish divergence, buying activity going on. And this was back when it was at 1420, and we bought it. This was free, given to you publicly, openly, 38%, 40%, just like that. And I actually did say that the second message, try Bonk one last time, buying activity going on. So what is this buying activity? Where does that come from? Where do I know a buying activity is coming from? Crypto screener. You can do this for any coin you want to, and there's this buying activity going on at the moment, and you can also see the volume in USD. So 1.84 billion, 744 million. This is huge. The volume is actually huge, but there's a but in here. It has actually dropped probably from the things that I've... Now you see on Binance, it's at 106 million. Previously, some few time ago, the coin was at 400 million. But maybe as the prices start to push up and up, maybe we're going to see more volume increase. But the thing is that if I do see the technical rating as buying, if I do see that, you know, all these things is happening, and you can always look at the details probably, I guess, in, I don't know if I click right over here. Okay, I'm going to go back like this and maybe try to search for Bonk up here. And when you search for that Bonk here, I want to show you some few new stuff actually, because I'm trying not to launch it on... Oh, no, I don't want it to be launched like that. Okay, so I'm going to do something here. There's a little bit of a trick. I'm going to write Bonk up here. Just bear with me. This is super important at the moment. So Bonk is showing up. And when you kind of scroll to the downside, and there are some few things, there are some few metrics that I would like to show you. oh no, this is actually going really bad for me. Okay, yes, finally. So technicals, all right? Summarizing what the indicators are suggesting. So if you look at the oscillators, which are probably EMAs and whatnot, so it shows buy, right? It's showing buy, but it's not to the strong buy department at the moment. Another one is the summary. All in all, buy. It's actually being bought. And moving averages, the EMAs, they show strong buy, right? And also on the technical part of it, you have a break of the channel and you also have good volume. I mean, $100 million is not bad. And especially 1.8 billion on futures isn't really bad at all. $1.8 billion, do you know how much that is? So yes, people are buying BONK, right? So let's see what happens. But the thing is that if the big investors decide to do something bad, all of a sudden Bitcoin is bad, you're never guaranteed about anything. Then you come down to 1589 and you take 1589, and that's pretty much the dead end of it. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one, office.